What's going on, everybody? Welcome to part 2 of creating affiliate marketing campaigns without using autoresponders. So if you missed part 1, you can check it out up here. It should be a link for you guys to go watch that. But in part 1, we actually talked about the #1 landing page builder that I recommend to build out your products before you actually send out your links. You want to build a landing page where you can constantly, continuously build leads and promote other products as well. And number 2, we actually talked about picking your product and where to go and pick your product. But in this session, part 2, we're going to talk about the easiest and most effective way to create copy for your promotional product landing pages. Roll the intro.
9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Still in my ClickFunnels account, guys, and I actually pulled up another page because it pretty much has the copy that I want you on it. This is a white paper that I'm giving away. It's actually about starting an online business. If you are interested in that white paper, just comment below in the description and let me know that you would like to have access to this white paper. But I'm actually getting ready to change this because what we actually need to do is we actually need to take the copy from this ClickBank product right here, and we need to put the copy on our ClickFunnels page. I know there's a lot of clicks going on. There's ClickFunnels, there's ClickBank, but just remember, guys, ClickBank is for affiliate products, and ClickFunnels is actually where you build your funnels at. So what I am getting ready to do is, but it's easier for you to create copy of with something, or at least it is for me. It's easier for you to create copy. I know one of the hardest things for a lot of people is actually to create copy. Let me kind of go back here, guys, real quick, just to show you guys what I am doing right here. But one of the hardest things for everybody is to create copy. You need copy for emails, you need copy for your landing pages, you need copy for pretty much everything you do online, even for scripts. Even though I don't have a copy right now on my video, I'm just pretty much just talking. But everybody uses copy. Copy is very important. Words are very important. When you use words, they're very important. Words sell. The easiest thing that you can do if you're a beginner affiliate marketer is you can take copy that already exists. Now, I did not say copy. I did not say plagiarize, but I said take copy that already exists and you can put it in your own words. So right here, we are actually selling this product right here on ClickBank. And remember, guys, what we're actually going to do is we're going to take this product from ClickBank and we're going to put it on a ClickFunnels page, because what a lot of people teach is for you to actually just hit promote on this link right here. And actually a link is going to pop up. And what it's going to do is, if you see right here, guys, it tells you the exact commission that you're going to get when you're promoting this product. Obviously, there's some good products, there's some bad products. I mean, but you right here is telling you that you're going to get 1% commission for every customer that you refer to this product. So everybody that you refer to this product, you're actually going to get 1% commission. But obviously, yes, 1% can add up. But the thing is, guys, when you generate a link based off of this, let's just say, let's call it goals. And you can put tracking ID, which we can put ClickFunnels here. So now this is the affiliate link. This is our particular affiliate link that we are going to use. So all we have to do is just hit copy on this. And it's actually the page that you guys just saw is actually going to pop up. So what you first want to do is you want to create your affiliate link, which we just did. We created our affiliate link. And the link that we're going to show everybody, or the link that we're actually going to promote, is actually, it should be the exact page, which I'm going to click on now. So here, but I don't want to open my affiliate link in my regular browser. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to hit Shift, Control, and N, which will open up an incognito window if you are using Google, and or if you're in Google Chrome. And there's other browsers and everything that you can use as well. I know Opera has it. I'm pretty sure Firefox has it, but I'm not exactly sure on the keys that you hit for the incognito window or the secret window, whatever the browser, the particular browser calls itself. So now if I took that link and I hit paste, it's the exact same page. So now this is my affiliate link, guys. So if people come here and they sign up for this program, we will get 1% commission off of everything that they buy. And remember, guys, that what I was actually telling you to do, which you can see this product's $27. You guys can go out and purchase it if you want to. I mean, my affiliate link for this will actually be below in the comments. But guys, what you can do right now is you can actually create your copy for your ClickFunnels landing page. So let me show you guys exactly what we want to do here.